Welcome to this tutorial series on how to make a blog. This series is going to assume no prior technical knowledge on the subject. We will walk through every step in the process from beginning to end, and you'll end up with a professional looking website or blog. This technology is the same technology that many Fortune 500 companies like Best Buy, New York Times, and others have used to make their websites. At the end of this series, you will have a very powerful and extendable content management system without learning or having to learn any code. That's right, you don't need to know any code to know how to do this. This is not a tutorial that's going to show you how to build a free blog on one of the free blogging sites out there, because quite frankly, that is not the best solution for those people who want more control, freedom, functionality, and a site that looks professional. So, what is needed? Firstly, you'll need a domain name. This is basically your website address, either .com or .net, for example. Secondly, you will need a website host. This is where all your website files live. It's essentially just a machine that runs 24/7 and serves up your web pages to the public. One thing I would caution you to do, though, is to purchase your domain name separate from hosting. There are technical headaches that you will avoid when you do this, but apart from that, it's just so much cheaper to do it this way, sometimes as much as 3 times cheaper. The cost of a .com or .net domain, one that has not been registered yet, is roughly $10 to $15 annually. You can buy an existing domain. Obviously, you have to go through some kind of auction. There are ways to do that, but we won't delve into that in this tutorial. If you stop paying your domain name fees and you let it expire, then you'll lose your domain name. It becomes available then for anyone else to pick up, and your website will go down. It's as simple as that. So what I normally do is just set the domain name to auto renew every year, and it's a safer way to do it. The cost to get website hosting ranges anywhere from $3 to $10 a month, sometimes $20 a month for the basic shared web hosting plans. In the next video, we'll walk through domain name registration, and then following that, we'll go into actually getting web hosting and then tying it all together and building the blog.